Hi, it's Bill Kerbox with Kerbox Media. You know, it seems that things have really changed in the business world. Everybody is now relying on such a strong web and internet component. So at Kerbox Media, we've devised a powerful system of tools to allow you, the small business, to build and grow your business. Here's how it works. Step one, we're going to analyze everything about your presence on the web. Your website speed, your social media, your online reviews, your SEO, your emails. We're going to use that information to go ahead and set you up with your own marketing platform. Now, this platform allows you to run your entire business from one mobile phone or computer. Here's how it works. From that platform, you can post with one click on all your social media at one time, including Google My Business. You can request, review, and manage all your online reviews. You can send out emails. You can even run paid ads. For more information about how this system can help you grow your business, call me direct, 310-600-4484. Thanks for watching.